Hi everyone! I recently stayed at the Hyatt Regency Bloomington, Minneapolis. This hotel is located near the Mall of America and minutes from Minneapolis St. Paul International Airport. This is the front lobby of the hotel. It has a modern open design with eye-catching decor. Let's check out the room. This is room number 737 with one king bed on the 7th floor. It's a very standard Hyatt Regency room, but it still has the modern and well-maintained facilities. This is a comfy bed. A big sofa, a table and a chair. And my favorite part of the room was a window with a big ledge. Included in the room was a mini fridge and a coffee machine. A note: no microwave was included in the room. However, every even floor has one. Here's a look into the bathroom. Pretty good size. Got a big counter for the sink. Got a big lotion bottle. Got all shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. An open closet that comes with an iron and an ironing board. And this is an on-site restaurant and vibrant bar and lounge. They also provide couches to relax in front of a fireplace. A small bar and cafe in the lobby. And this is a dock area. And here's a 24/7 fitness center. Get everything you need, including 2 Peloton bikes. This is an indoor pool and bathrooms. And this is a parking area, pretty spacious. However, there is a $15 fee for overnight parking. And this is a coffee shop next to the hotel. Very convenient. And this is Luna's favorite spot. Let's talk about the price of this room. If you pay with points, it'll be around 8,000 points or around a little over $100 for the cash price.